Looking at this particular question, it looks impossible to solve, but we can solve it together. Welcome back to my channel. 9 raised to the power of a number plus 9 raised to the power of a number is equal to 144. The first thing we need to do is, when you look at this and this, they have 9 to the power of x in common. So let's write that. When this is divided by this, we have 1. And when this is divided by itself, we have another 1. Is equal to 144. So we have 9 to the power of x bracket 2 is equal to 144. Okay. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 2. We have 9 to the power of x. 2 will go into this one 72 times, right? If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please hit the subscription button, turn on notification bell so that you don't miss my videos. I upload my videos as often as possible. Tune in at your convenience. There must be something new for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. Now, at this point, I want you to watch to the end because I'm going to prove that the answer I got is correct, and that is the most interesting aspect of this video. Please on your caption. Please on your caption. That place they wrote CC like this. Please on it, okay? So that you'll be seeing what I'm saying in English. For those of you complaining that my accent is strong, okay? Alright. So now let's continue. So at this point we have x as power of 9, meaning that we cannot solve this without introducing log to both sides of this equation. So let's go. So if we introduce log to both sides, okay, now recall that log a raised to the power of b is the same thing as b multiplied by log a, okay, meaning that you can write this as x multiplied by log 9 is equal to log 72. All right, now we have x multiplied by log 9 is equal to log, this can be written as 9 times 8, right? 9 times 8. Now remember that log AB is the same thing as log A plus log B. Okay, so meaning that we can write this as x log 9 is equal to log 9 plus log 8. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by log 9. So divided by log 9 divided by log 9. Now log 9 we remove this, right? Because this goes into itself 1, and 1 times x is x. So we have x is equal to log 9 divided by log 9, okay, because we need to distribute the denominator, plus log 8 divided by log 8. Okay, now if we should continue, we have this x is equal to 1 plus, oh, this is log 9, we are distributing log 9 rather, log 8 over log 9. Now since we are solving this without calculator, we need to simplify this as much as we can, right? So we have x is 1 plus log 8 is 2 to the power of 3, 9 is 3 to the power of 2. So we can have x to be 1 plus, this 3 will come down to give us 3 log 2, and this 2 will come down to give us 2 log 3. Let's go. Have you subscribed yet? Don't forget to just subscribe, it's for free, okay? Subscription is for free actually. So now we have x is equal to 1 plus 3 over 2 log. Now using change of base, this can be written as log 2 base 3, right? Log 2 base 3. So log 2 base 3. Now, if we solve this, we have the LCM is 2. So 1 we go into 2 times. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 2 we go into itself once. 1 times 3 is 3. Log 2 base 3. So this becomes our x. Yes, this becomes our x. Now, let us prove that the answer we got is correct, which is the most important part of this video. Are you still there? Okay. Now let's go. So, we now have 2. Remember, this is 2 brackets 9 to the power of x is equal to 144. Because I want us to actually do this faster. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 9 to the power of, this is our x, 2 plus 3 log 2 base 3 divided by 2 is equal to 144. Now we are not yet sure, which is why we are putting this question mark. So we have 2 multiplied by 9 is 3 to the power of 2, right? Raised to the power of 2 plus 3 log 2 base 3 divided by 2. Now, is this equal to 144? So, this and this will go, right? Because a to the power of m raised to the power of n is a to the power of m times n. So, 2 times this and this will go. And we are left with 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 log 2 base 3. Now, is this equal to 144? We are almost there. Yes, I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy this. Yes. So, if we continue, we have 2 multiplied by, now, this can be written as 3 to the power of 2 plus, now this 3 can go up to be 2 to the power of 3, right? So we can now have log 2 to the power of 3 base 3. Now, is this actually equal to 144? So we have 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 plus log 8 base 3. Now, is this equal to 144? Now, remember that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, right? So now we have 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of log 8 base 3. Now, is this equal to 144? Now we have 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 is 9 multiplied by. Now recall that a to the power of log b base a is equal to b. Yes, once this and this are the same, then the answer to this is b, right? That means that the answer to the whole of this will be 8. So we have 8 is equal to 144. Now let's check. 9 times 8 is 72. And 72 times 8 is actually 144. And that proves that the answer we got is correct. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.